Looking for the best cordless router for your next woodworking project? Stick around because we're ranking 5 top contenders from worst to best, and the results may surprise you. Starting off our list in last place is the cordless router from MtiolHig, a budget option made to fit Dewalt's 20-volt batteries. Now the appeal here is obvious. It looks like a solid deal for a light woodwork, and it promises powerful numbers on paper. But sometimes, numbers don't tell the full story. You're getting a brushless motor with up to 30,000 RPM, variable speeds, and even some safety features like auto shutoff and low voltage protection. That's impressive for the price. It also includes accessories like an edge guide and 6 router bits, which is more than you usually get in this range. But here's where the cracks start to show. There are concerning reports about the build quality. Some users have experienced bits flying out during operation, not ideal. The materials feel a bit flimsy too, and it's definitely not designed for heavy or frequent use. In short, it's the kind of router that might make you nervous every time you turn it on. If you're just dabbling in DIY and don't want to spend much, this might work for occasional, light-duty routing. Otherwise, it's better to spend a bit more. And just a heads up, we've dropped links to all the routers in this video at the best price down in the description. Check that out. Next up, one step above the MtiolHig is the cordless router from Weytoll. This compact palm router is all about portability and simplicity, and it's made to fit Makita 18-volt batteries, which is a plus if you already have those lying around. With a brushless motor, variable speed control, and a transparent base with built-in lighting, this router is clearly designed for visibility and maneuverability. It's also lightweight, making it a nice option for trim work or edge rounding. At this price, it gives you just enough power for most basic tasks. But again, we run into issues with longevity. The plastic components, especially the locking mechanism, don't feel built to last, and there's some rust reported on the collar and nut over time, which isn't exactly confidence-inspiring. Compared to the heavy hitters later in this video, this one just doesn't measure up. Still, if you're a hobbyist doing light shaping or finishing work in tight spaces, and you're already invested in Makita batteries, the Weytoll could be a convenient option. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. In the middle of the pack, we've got the WORKPRO cordless router. It's not from a big brand, but it's trying to win you over with a massive value bundle, and it actually pulls it off in some areas. The WORKPRO comes with multiple bases: fixed, plunge, and straight, which is super rare at this price. You also get a 20-volt battery, charger, guide accessories, and even a dust hood. The motor is brushless and matches the top-tier models with a 30,000 RPM ceiling. On paper, this thing has everything. But here's the thing, it's heavy. We're talking nearly 13 pounds with everything attached. That can get tiring fast, especially for freehand or vertical work. And since the brand isn't a household name, long-term durability and customer support may be a question mark. Still, if you want a complete starter set with all the extras and you don't mind the extra weight, the WORKPRO is a serious compelling option for the money. It's a DIY powerhouse with a DIY price. Now we're into pro territory with the Dewalt cordless compact router. This is one of the most trusted names in tools, and this router backs up that reputation with solid power and thoughtful features. You're getting a smooth brushless motor with soft start, electronic feedback, and a clean RPM range that's great for most wood types. The build is rugged, the base is clear, and dual LEDs give you fantastic visibility while you work. It's a router that feels like a real extension of your hand. That said, it's not perfect. There's no plunge base included, which limits its versatility out of the box. Some users have also experienced power switch issues that require a full disassembly, not ideal if you're deep in a project. But if you want pro performance and a compact, cordless design that just works, and you're already in the Dewalt battery ecosystem, this one's an easy pick. And finally, our top pick, the cordless router from Metabo. Lightweight, powerful, and surprisingly versatile, this tool hits a sweet spot that no other router on the list quite matches. It's the lightest of the bunch at just 2.5 pounds, which makes it an absolute dream to use for longer sessions. You've got variable speed all the way to 30,000 RPM, and it works with both 18-volt and multi-volt batteries, so it's flexible if you're already using Metabo tools. The bonus? It comes with both 1/4 and 3/8 inch collets, giving you more bit options right out of the gate. It's not meant for deep, aggressive routing. If you push it hard, the motor will shut off to protect itself, and the dust port doesn't always stay put, which is a little annoying. But for light to medium work, it's smooth, comfortable, and incredibly precise. If you want the best balance of performance, comfort, and features, and don't need to go crazy with deep cuts, this is the cordless router to get. If you're ready to upgrade your woodworking game, check out the top routers from this review using the links in the description below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more hands-on tool reviews every week.